Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to add color to old or black and white images using Canva on the desktop. Let's get started. Once Canva is open, go to Elements, then search for Photos. To find a black and white image, type black and white in the search bar. For this demonstration, I'll select a grayscale image of flowers. Next, on the left-hand side, click on Apps. In the Apps section, search the Colorize tool and select it. This tool allows you to add color to old images with just one click. Click Open, then upload your black and white photo or select one from your canvas. Once the photo is uploaded, select it and click Colorize and Replace. It will take a few seconds to process, and then your image will be automatically colorized. And that's it. You now know how to add color to old photos using Canva. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more Canva tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.